Ma'am, sir, a pleasant good day. I am Grace Lynette Cruz Legaspi. I am single. I have 4 sisters and 1 brother. I am 32 years old and I am the eldest daughter. My religion is Roman Catholic. I graduated 2-year vocational course. I am here in the Philippines now. I'm residing at 340 Eben Street, Canyugan, Pasig City. My mother is a housewife and my father is a caretaker and housekeeper. I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family. I worked before as housemaid here in the Philippines from February 2018 up to May 2022. My major responsibilities is do cooking, taking good care of child, washing the dishes, ironing the clothes, taking care of dogs, also gardening, going to market and assisting pet grooming. I can speak good in English and willing to learn your language. I am good in communication skill and a hardworking person, kind, honest, and willing to learn what is the task given to me. I promise I will finish my contract and work with as long as you need my service. Ma'am, sir, please, I hope you choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless. Have a nice day.